ngayong gabi,
Casual wear interview.
questions sa ating mga candidates. But for now, how are you, contestant number 1?
I'm fine, I'm nervous.
Nervous ka na. Okay, mamaya meron tayong extra kape. Dahil ang kape ay...
Like, papalala ng
At meron din gatas sa likod. Kasi ang gatas ay pampa. Kaya kapag pinaghalo mo ang kape at gatas, meron ka na
spills.
pampalakas ng nervyos. Joke lang po. Alright, so here we go. Okay, Mr. Kapangan, I've heard, okay, that you are a graduate of nursing. Ay, wow. Okay. So nurses, of course, usually kapag mga may sugat, you're the ones who first to be on aid. Ayan. Okay, so ito ang katanungan ko para sa'yo. What kind of wound do you want to give aid? Wound in the heart or wound in the brain? Ulitin ko po ulit. Okay? What kind of wound do you want to give aid? Wound in the heart or wound in the brain?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The question that was given to me was, what wound would I treat? The wound in the brain or the wound in the heart? For me, I would choose the wound in the brain because anatomically, emotions are found in brain and it just affects the palpitations of our heart. And the brain is the one that controls everything in our body. And without the brain, we cannot function. That's all. Thank you.
Our second candidate is also taking Bachelor's Science of Physical Education. Yes?
It's Bachelor in Physical Education.
Ay, okay. Ako pa yung nagkamali. Sorry po. Okay, and now, ito na. Siyempre, sa physical education, most misconception is, kailangan maganda ang katawan. Ay, physique, I should say. So then, my question for you is, how do you define body positivity? Again, how do you define body positivity?
How do I define body positivity? So I define body positivity as it's all in the mind of the person who sees his or her body. As long as the person loves or cares for his body, whether fat, thin, or muscular, it's up to the person who is managing his body. And with that, whether we are fat, thin, or muscular, we should always love our body because our body is our greatest wealth. That's all. Thank you.
And so I heard once again that our candidate number 3 is taking up Bachelor of Elementary Early Education, I should say. Nakapag-field study ka na ba?
Not yet, sir.
Oh, not yet. Pero napunta ka na sa elementary school.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so here's the question for you. You choose. Do you want to go back to being a child or advance to adulthood? Again, you choose. Do you want to go back to being a child or advance to adulthood?
Before I answer that question, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. If I would choose with the choices, I would choose to become a child. Because back when a child, I don't think any problems. But when I grow older, I feel that life is becoming harder. You used to work, school, or do something that you love, or do something that you should be. So, if I will choose the choices in the question, I will choose to be a child. Because a child is innocent.
And so I heard that our fourth candidate is taking up Bachelor of do you want to be a public servant someday?
No, sir.
Alright, cool. Okay. But anyway, here comes my question, candidate number 4. If ever, even if you do not want to become a public servant someday, what would be your best asset? Again, if ever you will become a public servant someday, what would be your best asset?
My best assets is to become a strength and show the power of public administration. And also, I will encourage everyone that you will choose the public administration to be a good leader for our community and show the strength of our municipality. And that's why I love to be a public administration. And also to be a good leader someday. And I thank you.
Umiinit na ang aking usapan. Candidate number 5, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, nice. I'm good too. Thank you. Alright. But anyway, candidate number 5 is taking up
Galingan mo!
Bachelor in Science and Criminology. Oh, wow. Okay, so nakapag-duty ka na ba? Hindi pa. Okay, anyway, here's a question for you. What crime what crime do you most likely find yourself to be convicted? Again, what crime do you most likely find yourself to be convicted?
For me, a crime that I think to be convicted would be a drunkard. Because sometimes when you're tired, you need to relax, and even if when you're tired, it's always not forget to have a good time and to listen to your body. That's all. Thank you.
Candidate number 6, nakapag-exercise ka na ba?
Yes, sir.
Nakapag-practice naman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we go. Tatakot ako. Parang ang dami pala natin candidates that are taking Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Alright, so here's a question for you, candidate number 6. If you will be given a strong weapon, what will you do? If you will be given a strong weapon, what will you do?
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I will give a weapon. I will use it to change and renew the bad things, the bad habits, to change the world to a good. There's no war. There's always peace. There's no hate. There's always love. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Candidate number 7, nakapagkape ka na ba?
Hindi pa po, sir.
Water. Nakapag-water ka na ba? Yes, sir. Okay, good. Hydrated ang ating mga candidates. And so, this is a question for you. How do you discipline yourself in achieving your dreams? How do you discipline yourself in achieving your dreams?
For me, I discipline myself in achieving my dreams. For me, my foundation is through sports. Through sports, I learned a lot of discipline, which helped me to grow, to become a resilient man, to sit back from my defeats and bounce back to be the best version of myself. That's all. Thank you.
Nakapag-duty ka na ba, candidate number 8?
No, sir.
Not yet. But were you able to handle like a gun or rifle?
No, sir.
Okay. What's your favorite superhero? What's your favorite superhero?
Captain Marvel.
Superman.
Superman.
And so here's your question, candidate number 8. If you will possess a superpower, what will it be?
Superman,
Thank you for that wonderful question. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my answer. I possess powerful superpower to live.
Okay, here's your question, candidate number 8.
I will possess a superpower. I will use it in gagawin ko ito kung saan ko ay dapat lalo kapag sa nangangailangan, hindi dapat sa mga
Hindi mo
taong
sinabi.
sinasamantala yung kalakasan para lang sila yung mag-gain.
Superpower ni ano.
Alright, number 9 is taking up accountancy.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Oh, tanungin natin, may business ka na ba?
Pardon, sir.
May business ka na ba?
Wala pa po.
Wala pa. Pero magkano ang pinakamalaking pera na nahawakan mo?
Yung confusion.
15K?
Oy, 15,000. Ayaw pang sabihin, 1 million yata. Alright, so here we go with your question. Candidate number 9. How would you know that you're managing your finances wisely? How would you know that you're managing your finances wisely?
Thank you for that wonderful question. In this world where money matters, as an accounting student, keep in mind that money is an important aspect to our well-being. That is why I keep in mind a mnemonics or a acronym which is RESET. Reserve for emergencies, savings, expenses, and trust funds. This acronym has helped me and guided me in being a productive and much better student that spends his money wisely. Tonight, here in front of you, especially to the young people, I want you also to keep in mind that money is an important aspect in our life. And that we should save for us to have a brighter future with a brighter smile. Thank you.
Kumusta naman, candidate number 10?
Medyo nervous pero I think I can do this because I have my fans. My fans are supporting me. Thank you.
Alright, let's hear it from your fans later. And so I heard, ladies and gentlemen, that our candidate number 10 is taking TLE or BitLab, correct?
I actually took that because I already graduated, sir.
Oh, a second course. Okay, so here we go. Here's a question for you, candidate number 10. If you are to fix something in yourself, what would it be? If you are to fix something in yourself, what would it be?
Does this mean that I'll just open up my secret to everybody? But yeah, if I'm going to change or fix something in myself, it would definitely be my heart. Why? Because this heart of mine is very vulnerable, and it always easily get attached to everyone that I meet all along. And it's a bit difficult for me to control myself because once I get to know the person, I already get to feel like I am connected or attached to them. So yeah, if I will fix my something in myself, that would be definitely my heart. That's all. Thank you.
How are you feeling right now, candidate number 11?
I'm feeling great, sir.
Taas yung mic para hindi ka yuyuko. Alright, ayan. I-fix na lang po natin. Alright, so I heard that our candidate is taking up Bachelor in Science in Hospitality Management.
Oh.
Okay. Anong year na po ninyo?
Still at first year.
First year. Okay, so here we go with your question. In your personal experience, narinig mo ba ang magandang buhay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here we go. What's the best thing you see in your community of Kapangan that shows magandang buhay? Alright, in your personal experience, what's the best thing you see in your community of here in Kapangan that shows magandang buhay?
The best thing in our community here in Kapangan that showcase magandang buhay is our livelihood wherein we can plant vegetables that we can sell to other provinces or even internationally that can help our municipal economy to grow and be more popular to other municipalities. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, okay, mamaya. Candidate number 12. I've heard that candidate of number 12 is taking up civil engineering.
Wow.
Uy, so here we go. What's your key to a strong foundation? Again, what's your key?